Introduction Wire and Busbar Soldering Machine TDEM 030408. The wire and busbar soldering machine is designed for brazing copper busbars in the process of repairing electrical machinery and motors. Like almost all equipment supplied by LLC trading house ELECTROMASH, this unit does not require lengthy personnel training. It is economical and easy to maintain. Installation in a production area does not require any solid foundation. To get started, insert the copper busbar with the desired overlap under the electrodes. Release the pedal and secure with screw clamps. Using the dial, set the required current and turn on the input circuit breaker. Press the button to heat and blaze the busbar. Taking into account an individual approach to each of our orders, LLC Trading House ELECTROMASH will consider your terms of reference for the manufacture of electrical repair equipment with different parameters from those proposed on our website www.tdelectromash.com, taking into consideration various climate environments, including tropical climate. The equipment supplier for mechanization, repair process automation and testing of electric motors, ELECTROMASH Trading House. ELECTROMASH Trading House, your reliable choice.